The simplest ingredients can make the boldest flavors. This recipe surprised me, but I'm trusting the process. What did Recipe Roulette choose this time? The recipe I drew today was from page 273, and it's blood oranges and caramel. What are the odds that I have blood oranges in my refrigerator right now? It's only 4 ingredients. It has fennel seeds, sugar, white corn syrup, which I don't have, and 2 blood oranges. I think I can substitute the white corn syrup for golden syrup. I'm not 100% sure yet. I might Google it or something to see if I can do that. I have all of these ingredients, so I'm gonna go gather what I have and get started. I've gathered all 4 of my ingredients. Here are my 2 blood oranges. I can substitute the golden syrup for the corn syrup in this recipe. There's not really that much, it's only a tablespoon, so I'm pretty sure it'll turn out okay. I'm going to cover the rest of the recipe and read what the instructions are. Scrap the oranges and trim both ends. Trim both ends. Like cut the ends? Cut the ends off. Thinly slice the oranges, cutting them crosswise. So that's like across. Through the rind into rounds. Ooh, so we're using the whole orange. Okay. Put the slices in a glass pie plate. Oh, I have one. I have a glass pie plate. And then transfer oranges and syrup to an airtight container, cover and refrigerate. Oh, so this is kind of like a garnish? It says up here, the caramel poached oranges are a nice way to add another flavor and texture note to cakes and custards. That's interesting. I wonder if there are other recipes in this cookbook that I could use this with. Because it says here, the oranges will keep for at least a month. I might be able to use this in another recipe, so that's pretty cool. So I won't just have poached oranges sitting in my fridge for no reason. Oranges are all sliced. Now I have to put them in a glass pie plate, which is very specific. I would imagine if you don't have a glass pie plate, you could probably put it in a ceramic pie plate too. Smells really good. It smells like citrus and a little bit of licorice-like smell from the fennel. It's supposed to cool all the way, before you use it. I think the syrup thickens up a little bit more as it cools. I wanted you to see how pretty these are. It's so pretty. I really want to try this so I can tell you what it tastes like, but I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit more, and then I will probably try it on yogurt just to see if it would be a really good yogurt topping. I cut up a slice of the blood orange in caramel and put a little bit of the syrup in this bowl. And I also have here some yogurt. I'm gonna try it as a topping and see how it tastes. Also going to drizzle a little bit of the syrup on top. Might be too sweet, but we'll see. Oh my gosh. This is delicious. I'm so surprised that it's not too sweet. It could be because I'm eating it with Greek yogurt. Poaching the oranges in the oven really softened the rind. I was a little concerned because of how thick the rind was on the blood oranges. The fennel seed is not overpowering at all. The fennel has almost licorice-like flavor to it. Nothing strong, not like licorice candy where it's super strong. It's much more subdued than that. When you pair it with the orange, it just brings out the orange flavor so much more. Because I used golden syrup instead of the cornstarch, I think that kind of adds a little bit more warmth to the flavor a little bit. I would say if you don't have cornstarch, you can definitely use the golden syrup in this without it making any drastic change from what I can tell. This would be really good with anything, really. It's that good. I would probably make this again. Once we've run out of this, I will definitely make it again. This is so simple. It's just 4 ingredients, and it's something that I'm honestly, I'm speechless. It's just so delicious. It really is so good. I'm going to finish this. I will see you next time.